Before we even step into this farm, you'll notice something unusual. This is not an ordinary farm. CCTV surveillance, controlled access, security protocols. Why would a farm need this level of protection? Today, I'm taking you inside one of the most organized and modern livestock farms, where security meets serious agribusiness. As we move deeper, we will uncover how this farm manages its Dorper sheep, produces its own fodder, integrates horticulture, and runs like a business empire, not just a farm. And if you are serious about making money from agriculture, watch this video until the end, because what you are about to see might completely change how you view farming. Let's go inside. And see the CCTV. There's this electric.
In terms of security, you are well armed.
Okay.
Because you have to safeguard our property.
Yes.
The same lot. So here you have got a CCTV for easy monitoring of your farm activities at the lower part.
Okay.
And also to cite if there is any wrong taking place or any theft cases.
Yes.
Or any emergency. Yeah, we just be able to locate it from a distance.
Okay.
Because of our CCTV.
That's good.
And also we have got our electric fence that's assisting security of our animals from the upper part.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. As we enter, the first thing that stands out is surveillance. Multiple CCTV cameras strategically placed across the farm. This is not just about security. It is about management, monitoring workers, tracking animal movement, and preventing theft. In modern agribusiness, security is profit protection. One stolen ram, one damaged irrigation system, one night of vandalism, and you lose thousands. Serious farmers don't wait for losses, they prevent them. Wait until you see how this security connects directly to their livestock and fodder production system. That's good. So we are going to the sheep yard. Okay. Let's see. And now we arrive at the Dorper sheep paddock. The Dorper breed, originally developed in South Africa, is one of the fastest growing meat sheep breeds in the world. They are hardy, they adapt well, and most importantly, they convert feed into meat efficiently. What makes this farm unique is not just the sheep, but the management system. Rotational grazing, controlled breeding, record keeping, and feed planning. In commercial sheep farming, profit is not luck. It is management. Notice the paddock design: strategic fencing, rotational sections, and proper spacing. This reduces disease, controls parasites, and improves pasture recovery. And the most interesting part, the sheep here are directly supported by what we are about to see next. No successful livestock enterprise survives without feed security. This farm doesn't depend fully on market for feed. They produce their own fodder. Napier grass, improved pasture varieties, and silage production. When drought hits, when feed prices goes up, this farm remains stable. Feed accounts for up to 60 to 70% of livestock production costs. If you control feed, you control profit. But livestock is only one part of the agribusiness ecosystem.
The lower part where you can observe those animals.
Yes.
Coming this upper side, they've got what we call a super napier.
Super napier, okay.
Yeah. This kind of napier grass, not like that, the ordinary napier that we used to.
Yes.
This is a super napier. And the reason why farmers are now opting for super napier
Yes.
is the maturity time.
Yes.
The napier is vigorously growth, and also it's palatable.
Yes. The livestock like
it very much. Yeah. Rich in nutrients, and also it's drought resistance.
Yeah. Okay.
As you can observe, it's very hot, but it's still maintaining its natural green color.
Very green.
Very green. So what I can encourage farmers, as they venture in agriculture, they also opted to have this one.
Okay.
Gone are the days that most farmers used to dwell on the initial, the ancient super napier.
Yes.
The napier grass. Super napier is the best.
Sure.
Yeah.
So we are talking of super napier,
Yeah.
and you are seeing the super napier.
Yeah.
So this one is drought resistant, liked by the livestock, It is also nutritious. It gives them that vigor. So this is good. So these ones are planted?
These are planted, first harvest are taking place.
Okay.
Being a ratoon crop, it's advisable that immediately after harvest,
yes,
you just come and weed, do earthing up, then apply manure.
Sure. Good.
Once you have adhered to that, then expect good results.
Okay.
The upper side you have got the sweet potato vines.
Oh, this one's which livestock feeds on them? What human beings? Human beings are livestock.
Feed on sweet potato itself, but livestock feed on the leaves.
On the leaves.
Very nutritious, particularly the lactating livestock. So this is the purple variety.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we have just introduced it recently. So it will help us also to generate nutrients, particularly for the lactating ones.
Yes.
Initiate the milk breakdown process.
Okay.
In our cows.
This is good. Yeah. And it's under drip irrigation.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Yeah, you use drip irrigation, as you can observe.
There's a water burst somewhere. Yeah. Where is the source of water? Where do you get your water from in this farm?
This farm we have got our own borehole.
Okay.
But we are not getting the water direct from the borehole. We have to pump it first into that pump as conserved on the upper side. Okay. Then from that pump, using the gravitational force, that's where now we get it from there to our farms. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, so the flow has to go there first.
Yeah. Then.
But water is not a problem in the farm.
It's not a problem. You temporarily store there, then you apply.
Is it treated or it is healthy as it is?
This water
for farm, even for farm use.
For farm use, for human consumption, for animal consumption, it's just naturally good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I can see a variety of crops.
Yeah. So this is where our horticulture journey begins.
Okay. This is celery.
This is celery.
Lettuce. I can see
spinach
there. And
spring onions. Eggplant. The pepper. The carrots. The
cauliflower.
I
can also see nightshade.
Black nightshade is also here.
Also here. Yeah. Oh, so there are a variety
of both spices and vegetables.
Okay. Yeah, so farmers, as you can see, this is an integrated farm with both livestock and crops.
Yeah.
These crops also you can have a section in the farm, because in the farm you also have workers.
Yeah.
You have neighboring
people
who would want to consume vegetables. And this is what the farm responds to.
Yeah.
So if you get a chance, please come to Mitomba Farm for your training before you begin your farming journey. Yes. Okay, so the same. This is courgette.
This is a courgette.
This is courgette. The zucchini.
Zucchini. It's doing good.
Doing good and organic.
This farm is purely organic.
No chemical.
No chemical appliances at any given time.
So that is a plus for farmers who are venturing into organic farming. Then this is a farm where you can come and see how they are maintaining.
And here is where diversification comes in. Horticulture. While livestock generates long-term value, horticulture creates faster cash flow. Vegetables provide weekly or monthly income. Sheep provide bulk returns. This is how smart farmers build financial stability. Multiple income streams working together. This is not just farming, this is assisting. Now you've seen it. Security, structured paddocks, feed production, and horticulture integration. This is the future of serious agribusiness. If you learned something new today, comment below. Farming is business. Because agriculture is no longer about surviving, it's about building wealth. If you want more real farm tours like this, more agribusiness breakdowns, more practical strategies that can help you build your own agribusiness empire, then make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. And don't leave yet. We've prepared another powerful farm breakdown video right here on your screen. Click it and continue learning. This is how we grow. This is how we build. This is modern African agribusiness. I'll see you in the next one.